Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I do YouTube for entrepreneurs. Can I interview you and can you show me around?
Sure can. So this is our food trailer. My name is Melissa Hernandez and I'm one of the owners for Bo Boudin. And today we're serving up 5 menu items, some of our top menu items that we do at the shop. On the grill, we're doing our spicy boudin tacos. We take our spicy boudin mix and do street style tacos. Here we do our chilaquiles, which is going to be kind of a nachos, but they're gonna have shredded chicken on there, a green poblano salsa with queso fresco, sour cream, and a fried egg on top. Here, our chef Dante is frying up some of our pepper jack cheese boudin balls. So this is going to be one of our most popular items. It's going to be our boudin balls with pepper jack cheese inside, and we deep fry them.
So what does it take to get a food truck up and running? Where do you recommend somebody start?
I highly recommend for you to do pop-ups before you make the commitment of buying a food trailer. Or, sometimes people let you come into their food trailers, work for them so that you can get a feel for it. My husband and I, we're from Houston. His family is French Creole. He said, you know what, we're going to bring boudin to North Texas, and that's how we started our business. So you can find us at 1821 South Fielder. We're Bo's Boudin. We make gumbo, jambalaya, boudin links in-house, our pepper jack cheese boudin balls. We also serve crackling, po' boys, and a lot of other things. So come out and check us out.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You are officially part of the Business Talk with Meg family now.
Thank
you so much. Bye, guys. I like that. You guys are Is it ready? Wait. Oh yeah. I always get a wide angle. Okay, y'all go. Okay. Ooh! What am I taping here? The boudin ball?
Pepper jack cheese boudin balls. It's going to be our spicy boudin mix with pepper jack cheese inside, and then we deep fry it, and you dip it in our house ramelade.
My mouth is watering, y'all. I can't wait. Okay. Oh my God, give me this. It's mine. It is so freaking good, y'all. If y'all don't come try this, y'all are crazy, okay? Now, I'm going to dip this in. What is this sauce?
It's a ramelade.
I don't even know how to say it, but it looks good. Yeah. Yummy.